DTAM on the scene, wings spread, aviation dream, capturing that skylight, jet streams and big beams, cameras clicking, flicks of jets lifting, from tarmac tails to cabin trails, planes drifting, goggles on, cockpit vibes, flight paths mystified, Daniel's got that lens, eagle eye, touch the sky.
Turbulence, nah, just air gone wild, Daniel tackling wind currents, flying like a freestyle economy to first class. He got you peeping that, in-flight meals, see deals, even a cruise chit-chat, red eye or daylight, man's always in flight, trade tables and leg room, see the world in new light. DTAM, skies and Airline Trip Reports that dazzle, from runway to cloud nine, fly the world, travel line. DTAM, jet lag, stagger, showing airport swagger, wheels up, glide the globe, Daniel travel saga. DTAM on the scene, wings spread, aviation dream, capturing that sky life, jet streams and big beams, cameras clicking, flicks of jets lifting, from tarmac tails to cabin trails, planes drifting, frequent flyer mile stats, charting out the map, terminal to terminal, tracing every lap, passengers and pilots, insights, he got it, from takeoff to landing, every detail's exotic, from Airbus to Boeing, turbine winds blowing, Daniel with the swooping shots, aerials showing. Engine roaring, jet set soaring, Daniel with the crew while others still snoring. Sky trails, air mails, DTAM never fail. Black box explored, every flight a full tale. DTAM, skies and Airline Trip Reports that dazzle, from runway to cloud nine, fly the world, travel lines. DTAM, jet lag, stagger, showing airport swagger, wheels up, glide the globe, Daniel travel saga.